Q20 paper 1 variant 1 November 2015. The diagram shows the first 15 seconds of car journey. The car starts from rest. The acceleration of the car from T0 to T5 is 4 meter per second square. And the acceleration of the car from T5 to T15 is 2 meter per second square. Find the speed of the car when T is equal to 5. So we have to find the speed here, and it is V. And actually the slope of the speed time graph, the slope of this line is the acceleration. So we have to take the two coordinates. One is initial point, it is 0 0, x 0, y 0, and here x is 5, the time is 5, and the speed is v. When you find the slope, it will be equal to acceleration. In the speed time graph, the slope is acceleration. So we find y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, it must be equal to 4 meter square. So y2, if we take v minus y1 is 0, x2 is 5 minus x1 is 0 is equal to 4. Further we can write v upon 5 is equal to 4, or we become 4 multiplied by 5, so we become 20 meter per second. So the answer is 20 meter per second. Now the part 2. Find the now in the second part, the time is given as 15, and we have to find the speed v when the acceleration is 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. Now t5. Now this time it is 5, and we have calculated as 20. Now this is v2. The coordinate become 15 and the v2. Again we find the slope, and it is equal to 2. So slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This time y2 is v2 and the v1 is 20 upon x2 is 15 and the minus 5 is equal to acceleration is 2. This one. When the slope, we find the slope, we'll get the acceleration. Acceleration is already given. Now the v2 minus 20 become 2 upon 10, or v2 minus 20 become 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. So v2 become 20. This minus 20 move from left to right should become plus 20. So v2 become 40. So it is 40 meter per second. And the part B, find the distance traveled by the car between T5 and T15. So here it is T5 and it is T15. In speed time graph, the area of the figure is the distance traveled. So this is the figure is trapezium, and we have to find the area. So the area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 L1 plus L2 multiplied by height. So L1 and L2 is the two parallel line. So these are two parallel line. If it is L1, it is L2. So L1 is 20 and the L2 is 40. We have calculated, and the height is the distance between the two parallel lines, the perpendicular height, and it is 15 minus 5 is 10. So when we simplify it, it can be written as 1 upon 2, it is 60 multiplied by 10. So when we divide it by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 3 are 6, 0. 30 multiplied by 10 is 300. So altogether 300 distance meter is the distance traveled by the car from T5 to T15. What is the question? Still you face any problem, you may write in comment. I will reply inshallah.